Vibrational frequencies are everywhere around us. But did you know that everything has a specific vibrational frequency? This includes atoms, molecules, and even our bodies. Dr. Rife was a scientist who dedicated his life to studying vibrational frequencies of living organisms. And in the 1920s, he developed a powerful microscope that allowed him to observe that each microorganism has its own vibrational frequency. And by exposing them to specific frequencies, could cause them to vibrate so intensively that they would literally burst apart. This great discovery led Dr. Rife to develop a new approach for treating diseases, which he called frequency therapy. And he believed that by applying specific frequencies to the body, he could destroy harmful microorganisms while leaving healthy cells unharmed. As other examples, currently, some people are also using sound therapy to treat anxiety, depression, and chronic pain. So by applying these specific frequencies to the body through sound can help to balance out our bodies and restore the sense of harmony. So, what does all this has to mean with us? Well, it suggests that the vibrational frequency around us can have a profound impact on our health and well-being. By understanding how different frequencies interact with our atomic structure, we can begin to harness their power to promote healing and balancing our bodies. So remember, friends, assume nothing, question everything.